Another shipment of electronics worth over $2 million has vanished. Freight fraud is skyrocketing, leaving shippers across the U.S. exposed. Authorities say the thieves used fake carriers and stolen identities.
He says the criminals created fake online profiles of trucking companies, bid on jobs they suspected might be valuable, and hired unsuspecting drivers online.
It's being called the worst year in history for freight fraud.
And the drivers are not in on this.
The driver that picked it up has no idea that he's committing a crime.
This has to stop. We're fed up. This is unacceptable. Titan Core Technologies, the new standard in freight security. Titan Core protects your freight with next-generation identity, AI risk scoring and real-time verification. No fake carriers, no stolen loads, no compromises. With Titan, every load, driver, and transaction is protected, from dispatch to delivery. Titan Core Technologies, the shield of modern logistics. Trust, security, Titan.